Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Energy Transfer. I've talked about them a couple times here on the channel. One that I currently hold. You can see what they've done over the last year. So kind of stayed in this $9 range. Had a dip here to $8.16 back in December. Had a decent run up and through June, $12.31. Now it's fallen back a little bit, but down about 3% in the last year. In the past 3 months, down about 6.5%. Here in the last month, down 13.39%. Here in the last week, it's down 0.05. And here's a look at today. So, kind of a volatile one at times. I suppose if you wanted to trade this one, you could make 30-40 cents here and there if you did it right. So I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. But I do have this one, and it does give a decent dividend, and it's kind of held its ground, unlike a lot of other stocks out there that were up and now they're all down. This one's just kind of remains the same. Appreciates a little bit and gives you that nice dividend. But again, this is Energy Transfer, ticker ET. If you don't know much about this one, it's natural gas pipeline transportation. Transmission services, operates through the following segments: intrastate transportation and storage, interstate transportation and storage, midstream, and the list goes on. Feel free to pause and go over that list there. Been around since 1996. $31.12 billion market cap. High today of $10.45, low of $10.01. 52-week high of $12.48 and low of $7.96. Dividend yield, can't beat that, 6.58. Volume of 27.10 on the average, and typical volume today of 12.5 million. So can't beat the ratings on this one either, at 95% on the buy. So. And here is the next earnings expected on August 2nd. So I still have the shares. I don't have them here in Robinhood anymore, but here's some of the dividend payments. It's quarterly, so I had 14 shares. Take that times 17.5 cents equals $2.45. So you can do the math and see. So if I had about 40 shares, you'd probably get about another share of ET per quarter, so, or 4 per year, and then you could just see how that would snowball and add up over time. So, but you can see here the difference. So this one was in February. They increased. Looks about like 2.5 cents. So very nice. So went from 214 to 245 on my 14 shares. So you can see how that would add up a little bit quicker, and you can do the math on how many shares you need to live off of, I suppose. So I just have it set up on an account and have it set up on drip. So over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as $10.15, dropping 1.79. Previous close was $10.34, so a lot of things are down today. So Energy Transfer stock forecast, price, and news. And here on MarketBeat, so you can kind of see closing price on 6.3, closing price on 6.2. So it's been kind of volatile here at times, but kind of up and down. Analyst opinions, consensus rating. Energy Transfer has received a consensus rating of a buy. We'll kind of go over some of that at the end. I already went over one on Robinhood, the upside and downside. According to the analysts, price target of $14.11 has forecasted an upside of 39.7% from the current price of $10.10. Has only been in the subject of 2 research reports in the past 90 days, so not a whole lot of people talking about this one. Over here on Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Finance is showing it as bullish. Not much other news there. Energy Transfer here on Seeking Alpha. Not much other information there to share here on Reddit. Where do people see this company in 1 year's time? It's hard to say. So, just like everything else, where do you see them a year from now? Will they be in the red, or are they going to be in the green? Over here on StockTwits, looks like it's down a little bit still. 1014, 52-week low of 796, high of 1248, market cap of 3.16 billion. Sizzling June dividend dogs now on sale. So a lot of people do like this one for the dividend. I kind of got into it for both reasons. It hasn't really appreciated much. I think maybe I have a $8 or $9 cost basis. I've had it for a little while and just been collecting the dividend on it. So over here on MSN Money, no ratings on this one. That's kind of odd, but you can see the range. But that's all that I have on ET. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you'd like to share on ET, or if there's any other energy stocks out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to do that as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.